Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to show you how to do the challenge Investigate Down Black Helicopter. This is right here. This is over here. Just need to choose once or the amount you want. It's right over here. So just go to this spot and tune the helicopter. And then this one will be done, and you get almost a free 24k XP. I hope you all find this useful, and now do the challenge. Thanks for watching, and enjoy. Maybe watch another video if you need any help with any other challenges. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you all later.